till now we have actually this is my application. Maybe can close this one. Okay, till now we have moved the state, the username alone to the Reddit store. Now we will move completely all the states available here to Reddit store. Okay, this employees alone I will do at last because we have to implement this employees using Reddit Stunk. So I will write for set password, login and error now. Okay, so let me first add the actions for all the states and then I will change it. Okay, let me go to the actions now. Now similarly you write it for password, right? Set password and make sure you are giving the same name must be mentioned there. And the value will be password. I will be sending the password from that to the Reddit store, right? And other thing is login. Okay, login, and these will get two values: user name and comma password. And maybe here I will say login. The payload, let it be a the username and password. Anyway, I will have it in the store. I don't think we need to pass it here. I will just say login. That's fine because anyway the store has the username and password, right? No need to send it because we already set user and set password. We already have the latest username and password in the state. Okay, so this is login, and for error it should be set error, right? So let it be set error, and we have to pass the error also in the payload. Okay, so let me add it for now. I have added for state as well. Okay, this should be login and this can be set error. Okay, so I have also passed the error here. So let me now go to the reducer to handle all the actions. So I can better to change it as switch because I have to handle so many actions. So let me add it as switch here. Actions dot type. The first case is this one, right? Set user, right? Okay. The second case is set password. I can just copy it here. So the next case is login. Next case is error, set error, right? That's what we set with that. I just copy this also here. And we also need a default case, right? Default case will be to return the, this is when it first loads up. So I will just return the initial state 1, which is my default state. So now I have done. So password, we are supposed to change the password. We also need to bring in all the states from that to here, right? So other than employees, I will bring everything. Okay. So here the password will be this password, and whatever I had the logic for login, I can copy paste here. So this logic, I can copy paste that. To the reducer, right? So login, it should do this logic. It should test whether there is the initial state 1, right? So this will be the latest state. Sorry. Okay. So I have to test. Maybe likewise, I can bring this state to here. I will just copy paste. Now state dot username, right? State dot password. If it is same, then I have to change the logged in, which is present in the state as true. So state dot logged in to true. If else, I will set the error. Right? State dot error equal to not a valid user. Okay. Other thing you have to do is you have to return the latest state. Then only it will get updated. This will get updated as the recent state. Okay. Set error also you can set it. You know, whatever got it, I can set it. Now we have written all the actions. Okay. Now let's implement it in the app.js. I think so everything is right. Okay. Now what all state I need? I need username, password I need a error and logged in, right? And this can also be sent like in from ESX you have an option when both are same you can just send it like this. No need to say password colon password. That's not needed. Okay, write this. And I have put all the state I need for the component. Now for the action I need to set the password. Hope I have exported everything. Right? So I can first make it available in the imports. Okay, it is set password. I need set error. I need a login. Okay, I have imported everything. Now you can copy paste this in my current, so that all these actions are available. Okay, now we can, instead of local state, we can use props now, because all that will be available as props, because password is also, this is not needed now. Okay, because this logic already available in the login, right, in the reducer. So I will just call the action, this dot props dot login, right, and this dot set state is also not needed. You have to say set password, not state. I want to just, whenever I want to change the state, I will call the actions, right? So I will just call the actions now. Okay, now for sending what to the, here by this I send it to the login component. So it is not, password is not available in the state anymore, it is available in the props, right? Send this, not, it is this dot props dot, because my action is available in props. Fine, and this dot state dot login, it should be props dot login, and set state, for this is for logout button, it should be I think we have not written anything for this. You can also write the action for that. For logout functionality, you can write action. We will go to the actions first. Just copy this. I will just make it logout. And so it is type logout. Right? Let me go to reducer, and I will add another case now. So it is logout case now. Right? So this dot logged in, that is state. Hope that is state. So it is small n. Can make this also capital N. Okay. Okay. State dot logged in equal to false, so that it will move back to the login page. Hope everywhere it is logged in, else I will get a issue. You can check. Also in the app.js, you check whether what I'm asking for logged in, right? It should be correct. And I have to also add this logout. Now you can call that here. Okay, this dot props dot logout. Just call the function. No need to pass any value. Okay, now it's done. It is props dot logged in, right? That's how I'm getting the value, right? For employee, should I change anything? So employees is still maintained here, right? So I'm not doing anything here. Let it be like this. So now let's check whether it is working. Our username is not defined in index.js. So in actions, it is saying the issue called index username is not present. So you can just copy it. Duplicate declaration state. I think I declared many times. Let's go here. We can have the state. And we can remove the state. Because constant does not allow duplicate declaration. Okay, hope this is correct now. See, now it works. Now it seems to work. Okay, I have used constant there. That's the issue. It should be let, because when you give constant, you can't redeclare the value, right? So when I give user pass, we can check whether it is able to log in, and it is able to log, right? Logout also works. So we have changed all the state to be coming from Redux store here. Okay. Now other than employees, every state is coming from Redux store. So now next we will see about middleware. Then we'll see about Redux Tank. In Redux Tank, we'll understand how to change this employees, because this is going to be asynchronous call. So this has to be handled through Redux Tank. Okay, let's see that. See that there when we see through Redux Tank.